This is a Hyundai that looks fine after repairs, until a deeper scan reveals P0638. It may show warning lamps, and it often travels with other network symptom codes in the background. Analyzing the communication network of the digital twin. Initial signal pulses flow smoothly, indicating normal operation. To understand why, we need two pieces: the CAN-B network and the Occupant Classification System, or OCS. CAN-B is the transport layer, carrying messages between modules, like a coordinated conversation across the vehicle. OCS estimates who's in the seat, then shares that status so the restraint system can adapt.
So airbags aren't out one box. They're a system that depends on clean data arriving at the right time.
After a collision repair, small physical changes can distort that conversation, even when everything looks reassembled. Common causes include an open path, an unintended path to power or ground, or high resistance at a terminal. Harness stress near seat mounts is a repeat offender, because movement and tension change pin fitment over time. When CAN integrity degrades, voltage balance and termination behavior shift, shrinking noise margin and inviting intermittent dropouts. Rebuilt and salvage scenarios raise risk, because modules get swapped, seats get moved, and connectors get disturbed. Professional diagnostics start by correlating P0638 with body and SRS faults, not treating it in isolation. Next, technicians verify which module is dropping off the network and whether it's a supply issue or wiring. Power and ground are checked under load, because a circuit can look fine until it's actually working. Then waveform behavior is verified, looking for clean differential symmetry instead of jitter, reflections, or flattened pulses. Connector condition matters, including subtle spread terminals that create resistance without obvious corrosion or damage. Module compatibility and configuration also matter, because the network expects specific participants with expected identities and settings. After repairs, adjacent dependencies like clock spring circuits, belt systems, and calibrations must also be consistent.
The network and system integrity is verified, and the CAN-B and seat occupancy communication remains stable.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Lock & Cow for more content like this.